Distillation introduction continued. Distillation can be used for separating a mixture containing two liquids that have different boiling points. The separation process depends on the difference in boiling points between the two liquids. The greater the difference, the easier it is to separate them. The process involves heating the mixture containing the two liquids. The liquid with the lower boiling point will begin to boil and will be converted to a vapor. This vapor can then be converted back to a liquid in the condenser and collected as distillate. This is called the first fraction. When the first fraction has been removed, the mixture will stop boiling. The mixture must then be heated further until the higher boiling point is reached. At this point, the second liquid will be converted to vapor and can be collected as the second fraction. Distillation process variables continued. Cooling. The condenser must be cooled to convert the vapor into a liquid. The cooling temperature for the condenser is therefore critical for this process to work. Condensers can be cooled using cold water or other solvents, such as glycol. The condenser temperature should be monitored carefully. Vacuum. Some liquids boil at very high temperatures that are difficult to achieve by heating. By removing the air from the reactor, or in other words, applying a vacuum, the boiling points of the liquids can be decreased. This means that the liquid will boil at a lower temperature. It is important to control the vacuum carefully. Incorrect vacuum values will affect the boiling points of the liquids and cause problems with the distillation.